I'm so stupid. Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I am definitely, I'm all right. Before we get started today, I wanted to remind you guys how important it is to not get distracted by everything that continues to restart during this time of revolution and social justice. It is so necessary for all of us, especially as creators, to ensure that we are not distracting or being distractions, and that is not in any way my intention for this video. I want to use this platform that I have to spread positivity, but I do need to remember, and I hope that we all remember, how crucial it is to be an activist during this time. So all of my resources that I've come across that I have found very helpful to educate myself on the topic of social justice and racism are down below in the description, so please check those out. If you can check out my Thrift Like You Mean It page, I have plenty of resources there, and the Thrift page has actually raised over $200 to go towards various Black Lives Matter organizations, so whether it be Black Lives Matter specifically or Equal Justice Initiative. So a lot of places have been able to profit from what we've done as a community. So I hope that you guys think about doing what you can as a community member, whether you have a small business and you want to donate part of your income, or if you are monetized on YouTube and you want to donate your ad revenue. Anything that you can do, or just donate $5 instead of going to Starbucks. I think it's so easy to get lost, but find purpose in these times, and I hope that you guys are continuing to be activists and don't ignore what's going on around you, because it is so important. So I just left Target, which I think is what I usually do whenever I actually do get out of the house. We are going to go to Goodwill, which is where I need to drop off a bunch of stuff. I have a huge bin of things from school and leftover thrift like stock that I never really thought I would sell. If you aren't following Thrift Like You Mean It, definitely follow, because we are dropping the final cut drop very soon. Right now it is 1:44 p.m. Tuesday, and hopefully, you know how this works. Hopefully you guys, oh my gosh, I'm running, oh my gosh. Sorry! Hopefully you'll see this day of.
That is not correct.
At the moment, Columbia, where I live, is a hot spot for COVID, so I'm trying to be as safe as possible. Today, I am looking for specifically Urban Outfitters t-shirt dupes. I'm excited. I look like a Kardashian. I'm wearing my biker shorts and my button-up linen white shirt. I feel like a diva. These glasses really make me look like I don't give a So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to Goodwill. I'm excited to try and find specifically Urban Outfitters dupes and brandy Melville dupes. I guess that's kind of a part of it. Like this big oversized t-shirt style. Like I even bought an Urban Outfitters one actually because it was on sale. Like everyone has these freaking oversized Urban Outfitters t-shirts that you can wear with biker shorts or you can wear with whatever. And I think it's a really fun, lazy look, especially for quarantine. So I'm gonna get on my directions and figure out where the beep I'm going. So okay, first impression weird, because I think I just saw someone that I know working, but I'm hiding in the shoe section.
never catch him while I'm this small. Why, curious butterflies.
You mean bread butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
this fit with these shoes. I got a couple of good pieces, and I'm gonna try them on. Okay, first I found chunky like sneakers, which I kind of want to wear right now, but like I don't really know if I want them or not, so like, and they're my size, so like. This actually is like a 10 out of 10, but then like, look at the back. I think I'm just gonna have to figure out like a way to take that off, but like, and there's like a little bit of like damage here and there, but like, I think I would see this at Urban Outfitters or something like that, because like, I think this is a good one. Okay, this is the next shirt. I like it, I like the fit, and I like the fadedness, but I don't know what team this is. So that's a little concerning, but you know, things go on, but I like it. And it like doesn't have someone's dad or mom on the back, so I like this one. Strangely enough, I think this is the best one so far, because it kind of looks like font that people would use for like an album cover. People are walking around right at it. But like, it almost reminds me of like Post Malone merch. And I know people that have gone to this school, so it's kind of like weird to like compare it to that, but like it fits, it's huge, which I really like. So I think we have another win. Okay, I actually think this is another win as well. And I think I'm just like bragging. Not all thrift trips are this good, but I think they sell this at Urban Outfitters. And I think like it's a good like fit, it's a good size. So I think we got another one. Okay, I think we got our first loser. I'm not the biggest fan of where this sits on my body, as well as like how actually long it is instead of like wide. This one's like, I think there's just so much space up here, and it has like a bunch of like stuff on it, so boo. Okay, this is actually a really, really good find. It's actually like collated apparel. My grandmother went to Coker, and it's like the big, like I was just talking about, the wide instead of the long, and it's like the coziest thing, and I'm really into it. And it's actually in really good condition, so I think this is a triple whammy, like knocked it out of the park, you know? Nice. Okay, this one is the Old Navy thing. I think this is something they'd sell, but I think it would be longer and wider. This is an extra large, and it's really not that big on me, which is kind of depressing. But I mean, it's fine, but it's not. After that, it's hard to follow greatness. Just tough. I grabbed these pants, and they were way too small, but I really like the ribbing, but I'm not gonna get them. So this is yes, and this is the no pile. You look great. You're doing good. Okay, that was super fun. I actually met someone that I'm like friends with on Facebook, and I think he thinks I'm crazy, but you know. I'm gonna take a big old shower, I promise you guys that, but now I need to donate my items, and then I'm gonna go home. But I spent exactly $20 for a couple of items, and I grabbed an Urban Outfitters, actually, an Urban Outfitters bathing suit that looked brand new. It didn't have tags on it, but it looked absolutely brand new. But I really only spent $20 for a mound of stuff, and I'm really excited that now I don't have to spend $20 or more on one t-shirt at Brandy, Melville, or Urban Outfitters. Who's the real winner here? If you guys enjoyed this this thrift trip, please subscribe and like this video. It would help me out a lot. We are about to hit 400 subscribers, which is so exciting. I make a lot of thrift related videos, whether that be thrifting with me or talking about my business, so how you can start your own thrift business online. So if you want any of those kind of topics in your recommended, then I definitely would click subscribe if I were you. And I hope you guys stick around. Thank you for the love and support, and make sure you follow my Instagram, Thrift Like You Mean It. See you guys next time.